A noisy classroom isn't a sign of a bad teacher, it's a sign of a missing system. If you're losing your voice every Friday, let's fix that too. Stop competing with the noise. Use nonverbal cues. A simple hand raise or a rhythmic clap signals eyes on me without you ever raising your voice.
Stop competing with the noise. Use nonverbal cues. A simple hand raise or a rhythmic clap signals eyes on me without you ever raising your voice.
All right, class, strategy 2, the countdown. You have 30 seconds to clear your desk. Predictability reduces the anxiety that causes chatter. You have 10 seconds to line up quietly.
Don't stay behind your desk. Use proximity control. Simply walking toward a noisy group usually silences it without a single word being said.
Instead of saying, "Stop talking, Sarah," say, "I see Marcus is ready. I see Emily has her notebook out." Peer pressure does the work for you.
Master the art of the wait time. After giving an instruction, pause for 5 to 10 seconds in complete silence.
Consistency is your superpower. Pick one of these today, stick to it for a week, and watch the atmosphere shift. Subscribe for more classroom management wins.